So, ayan. Unzip file to downloads lang natin nilagay. Sige. Don't scan. Pa-direct na. Ayan, no? Crossfire downloading. Using WinZip, guys. Ito is special course. Knobs out. Battle Royale. Ayan, PC version download, guys. I did not turn off this PC since yesterday, guys. I'm trying this computer, how fast it goes, it fast like that. So, guys, let's try this computer PC. Ayan. So, ayan, guys. So, next out. Ready for gaming na to siya, guys. Gusto to sa pang basic games na i7 pag wala kang video card. Ayan. So, stock board mode, stock lang yung graphics niya. Pro i7 second gen to, guys. Ayan, guys, 4 cores, 8 logical processor, 3.80 GHz. So, goods na yan, guys. 8 GB yung RAM. Ayan. Ano yung memory graph niya, guys. Okay, nice. Goods ka na, guys. Ayan. Run file, Crossfire, shortcut. Ulit.